Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are going to deal with antihypertensive drug and this is from cardiovascular drugs. This is part 2. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gowdi, lecturer in Kekebaag Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori. Learning objective. After watching this video, student will able to recognize the antihypertensive agent according to their structure, chemical name and physicochemical property, and to recognize the antihypertensive drugs agent according to their storage, stability condition, uses and official preparation with their brand names. In part first, we already discussed the introduction of hypertension, then definition of antihypertensive agent, classification and ideal properties for antihypertensive drugs. In this, let's start with individual monograph of antihypertensive drugs. First drug is methyl-dopa. It is also called O-methyl-dopa. This is the structure of methyl-dopa and chemical name is -3,3,4-dihydroxyphenyl 2-methyl L-alanine or -2-amino-3 in bracket 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl 2-methyl propanoic acid. Property: it occurs as white to yellowish white fine powder which may contain fibrable lumps. It is odorless and almost tasteless. It is sparingly soluble in water and very soluble in dilute hydrochloric acid. When it is treated with ninhydrin in sulfuric acid, it gives dark purple color which become pale brownish yellow when water is added. Storage: it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used to control blood pressure in primary essential hypertension, to control renal hypertension, to treat hypertension in pregnancy, to reduce hot flux in post-menopausal women, to treat pheochromocytoma and carcinoid tumor. Dosage form: it is available in the form of methyl-dopa tablet and the brand name is Imdopa, Meldopa and Almet. Now second drug is clonidine. It is 2-imidazoline derivative. Property: its hydrochloride salt is white or off-white crystalline powder which is odorless. It has bitter taste, it is soluble in water and it should be stable in light, air and heat. Hence it is stored in well-closed container. Uses: it is used to treat moderate primary hypertension, to treat dysmenorrhea, for the prophylaxis of the migraine and cluster headache, to treat postmenopausal vasomotor instability, and for the management of opiate addiction. It is vasodilator, decreases renal release and also causes bradycardia. Dosage form: it is available in the form of clonidine tablet and clonidine injection and the brand names are Hyperdin and Acramine. Now next drug is guanethidine. It is an octahydroxyzine and 8-membered heterocycle containing one nitrogen atom derivative. Property: its monosulfate salt is white or off-white crystalline powder. It is almost odorless. It is sparingly soluble in water and practically insoluble in chloroform. Storage: it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used to control all forms of hypertension, moderate to severe hypertension, to treat renal hypertension, to hypertension thalassemia of pregnancy, to treat dysthyroid lead retraction, to prevent lead retraction in thyrotoxicosis, and to treat glaucoma. Then dosage form: it is available in the form of guanethidine tablet and guanethidine eye drops. Brand name is Ismailin. Next drug is reserpine. It is an alkaloid. It is an alkaloid which is obtained from root of species of Rauwolfia, family Apocynaceae, mainly Rauwolfia serpentinea. It is a derivative of yohimbine. It contains indole heterocycle. Property: it occurs as white to slightly yellow crystalline or crystalline powder. It is practically insoluble in water but freely soluble in chloroform and it is levorotatory. Chemical property: when it is treated with sodium iodide in sulfuric acid, it gives yellow color with changes to blue. When it is treated with vanillin in hydrochloric acid, it gives rose pink color. Storage and stability: it darkens slowly on exposure to light but more readily in aqueous solution. Hence, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat mild hypertension associated with tachycardia, as a sedative in mild anxiety state, as an antipsychotic, tranquilizer for management of grossly disturbed psychosis, and also in chronic psychosis. To treat Reynolds phenomenon and for snake bite. Dosage form: Reserpine tablet, Reserpine sustained release capsule, and the brand name is Serpacil, Adelphane and Gerbolan. Now next drug is hydralazine. It is the first long-acting, orally active, widely used peripheral vasodilator. It is thalazine derivative in which hydrazino group is attached at 1 position. Property: its hydrochloride salts occurs as white crystalline powder. It is odorless and has bitter saline taste. It is soluble in water but slightly soluble in alcohol. Storage: it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses: it is used to treat moderate to severe hypertension, for chronic control of essential hypertension, for acute chronic control of hypertensive emergencies, and to improve congestive heart failure. Dosage form: it is available in the form of hydralazine tablet, hydralazine injection, and the brand name is Hyperazine and Alazine. Nifedipine: it is a calcium channel blocker. It is 1,4-dihydropyridine derivative. Physical property: it is a yellow crystalline substance. It is practically insoluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol, but very soluble in chloroform. It is affected by light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat hypertension, essential hypertension, renal hypertension, and hypertension in pregnancy. Ischemic heart diseases like angina and myocardial infarction, Reynolds syndrome, and atherosclerosis, exercise-induced asthma. Dosage form: Nifedipine capsule, and the brand name is Myocard, Nicardia and Nifedin. Next drug is Captopril. It is angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor. It is a cystenyl proline derivative and it is orally active. Property: it occurs as white crystal. It melts at 88 degrees Celsius, which re-solidify and melt again at about 105 degrees Celsius. It is freely soluble in water and in alcohol. Storage: it should be stored in tightly closed container. Uses: it is used to treat mild to moderate essential hypertension, renal hypertension, refractory congestive heart failure, and diabetic proteinuria. And it also elevates mood in depressed patient. Dosage form: it is available in the form of Captopril tablet and the brand name is Capoten. Now next drug is pentolinium tartarate. It is a ganglion blocking agent. It is a quaternary ammonium compound and contains pyrrolidinium heterocycle. Property: it is white powder, odorless and has a acidic taste. It is very soluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Storage: it is stored in tightly closed container in a cool place. Uses: it is used to treat severe or malignant hypertension due to parasympathetic blockage. It reduces movement of GIT tract and bladder and reduces gastric and salivary secretion. It produces peripheral vasodilation. It is used in emergency treatment of hypertensive encephalopathy and eclampsia. Dosage form: pentolinium injection and the brand name is Ensolicin. Next drug is Mecamylamine hydrochloride. It is a ganglion blocking agent. Property: it occurs as white crystalline powder. It is almost odorless. It melts with decomposition. It is freely soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Storage: it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses: it is used to treat severe or malignant hypertension due to parasympathetic blockage. It reduces movement of GIT tract and bladder and also reduces gastric and salivary secretion. It produces peripheral vasodilation and it is used in emergency treatment of hypertensive encephalopathy and eclampsia. Dosage form mecamylamine tablet and the brand name is Inversin. Thank you dear student for attending the session. Thank you.